Brian Laundrie's parents skip court amid lawsuit. Hi, I'm your host Bridget Shields, and let's dive right into today's story because it's a very upsetting one. The first hearing in the civil lawsuit between the family of Gabby Petito and the parents of Brian Laundrie began on Wednesday, but it's been confirmed that Christopher and Roberta Laundrie were not in attendance. The lawyers for Gabby Petito and Brian Laundrie were set to come face-to-face in court for the first time, to have a judge decide whether the civil lawsuit against the family can go ahead. The case itself is incredibly heartbreaking. In August last year, Gabby Petito, a beautiful, vivacious 22-year-old woman, had her life cut short by none other than her fiancé Brian Laundrie while they were traveling together on a van life journey across the United States. The trip began on the 2nd of July in 2021 and was planned to last 4 months, but sadly, Petito disappeared in late August. It wasn't until mid-September that Gabby's remains were found in Wyoming's National Forest. A medical examiner confirmed she had passed from blunt force trauma to the head. By that time, Brian was missing. His parents told police their son disappeared on September 17th, 3 days after they said that they had last seen him. The lawsuit alleges that Chris and Roberta Laundrie, Brian's parents, were aware that their son had brutally taken the life of the vlogger before she was reported missing, claiming that Laundrie's parents had knowledge that their son had a hand in Gabby's brutal death after a month-long cross-country trip, and that they even made plans to help him escape charges. The lawsuit also claims that the Laundries knew the location of Gabby's body and did not tell authorities, who were running a missing persons investigation at the time. In fact, they allege that instead of helping the Petito family search for Gabby, the Laundries took Brian on vacation and avoided questions from Gabby's mother and father as to their daughter's whereabouts. The Petitos are now seeking $30,000 in damages for the intentional infliction of emotional distress and the mental anguish they claim they suffered from the alleged lies and deceit of the Laundrie family. But Steve Bertolino, the attorney for the Laundrie family, has described the allegations as baseless and is seeking to have the case thrown out. But the Judge Carroll, who is presiding over the case, fired back, bringing up the defamation ruling against Johnny Depp, which was due to a statement made by his lawyer that Amber Heard's allegations were a hoax. Quote, Johnny Depp just got found civilly liable for defamation for what his attorney said, right? Which was a great warning to the Laundrie's attorney. Although Brian's parents were not legally required to attend, it's incredibly disrespectful that they didn't show up for the hearing, considering the gravity of the charges. But at the end of the day, I know a lot of people are just hoping that we get to see some real justice for Gabby Petito after this senseless and horrific tragedy. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, have a great day.